We're back at it again with a hackathon stream. So I had to go eat for the first one. So we're back 1 hour later. I'm just gonna once again do customary check stuff. Figure out how to. So I'm not used to something which is this tiny. Okay, there it is. And content. Okay, let's just get onto the live and bam. Okay. Okay, not much anything yet. I'm gonna do the checks in a second. I just need to find some stuff. Like, let's find that. And okay. Okay, now let's just pop this down again, and then bam. Okay, how's that looking? Looks good. Okay, now let's get straight back into it. Now, I have done a tiny little bit of work in between streams, basically just like 2 lines. But here's what we've got working. Oh, I did actually. I have not checked something. View live control room. There you go. We just check that once again, everything's working. Okay. In between streams, basically just like 2 lines. Okay, yeah, it is working. It's just a bit quiet. Sorry about that. I don't know why that keeps happening, and it's already at the max, so I can't really change anything. Yeah, actually, I'm not sure if I want to use import time yet, because I haven't actually thought of a way to use it. But import random, I'm definitely going to use. So start items equals start items. Yeah, so this is where I'm having a problem right now. List indices must be indices of all slices, not tuple. What the heck is tuple? I have no idea what tuple is. Huh? Okay. So it looks like the problem is around here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna actually change this just to straight up items. Same over here, just so everything is working a bit neater. And I'm not sure if it will actually work better now, but it might. So there's a small chance. Okay, let's do human again. And fighter. Because that's the only thing which works. Start items equals item 0. Maybe I need to do that. I doubt that works, but let's try it. Let's just. Oh, yeah, not bad. Gotta have to use capitals. It's a bit annoying, but it works. Yeah, okay, still having the same problem now, so I don't think it's going to do that. So items. Start items is not defined. Yeah, I'm defining it here. That's where I'm trying to define it. Can you not define it is in if start items if no, we just have start items equals can we change it from indices over to listing an item? I can check. I'm not sure if it will work though. Okay, let's just do start items equals 0. Okay. Now I think we might have the same problem here, but it's worth checking out. Yeah, same problem as before. Now we're having the list indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. What? So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to link it so that it says... Yeah, I don't see why this is a problem actually. Hold on. I might have it actually. Could it be plus? Because I saw this in one of the things. No idea if it's going to work, but I think I remember seeing one of the tutorials. Yes! Hot danky dang. Customary shield. Why is that? Is it literally doing maths? Is it like, 0 plus 1? 1. Which is shield, darn it. If I literally just have to do that, just space there, fighter. No, same problem. What's a hack table? Sorry, this is just something that's just going on here. Check. Okay, where's hack? Hack table. Oh! Where's the hack table? Where? Is he literally talking about... Oh, gee. Yeah, are they literally talking about the voice chats here? Oh. Okay. Not really sure if I want to do that though. No, I don't think I'm going to do it actually. Okay. So let's just check. So, what if I disclose it as 2 separate items perhaps? I highly doubt this is going to work. Oh, why is that doing that? Oh, okay, but it's worth a try. Kind of, maybe, possible. Human fighter. Customary sword 1. Okay. Got halfway there. Now it just doesn't know what 1 is. It's literally just... Why is it just writing out it as 1? Why is it looking at it as a string? That's strange. I don't see why it's done that, but okay. I'm going to try literally doing this. No idea if it's going to work. Probably not. Probably going to poop over the whole thing. Let's just try it. Yeah. List object is not called, yeah. That makes sense. Okay. So I think it's once again, I think it's subjugation. I don't know what it's called. I think it's a subjugation problem. That's what I'm going to call it at least. I'm just going to look at some lists. Nope, got that. Got that. That's not what I need. That's not what I need. And bam, that's what I need. Okay, lists. Yeah, let's just do list math and that works. Because I'm trying to write a variable from a list. Okay, access list items. Oh, okay. Whoa. I think I got it. So it's actually, for some reason, the way it's done is instead of just a comma, like a normal thing, it instead made it look like a ratio, I guess? I don't know. That's strange, but let's just check that out. Human fighter, I guess. Customary sword. No? No, it should be a sword and a shield. Oh, I get it, okay. So now if I do it from 2. I think I have it. Sword, shield, bam, 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 bam. Okay, I don't know why it's still waiting out those like that. But it is. I don't see what I can do about that, to be honest. Yeah, I just need to now copy this statement a bunch. It's basically elif. Bam. Oh, wait, actually. I did it wrong. User class equals what's the next one? Ranger. Start items equal items. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm just allowing it to, for each different class, it's going to look at a different range. And then that way, when I have it print out the start items later on, it will make it so that it's the right start items. And also, start items is going to be a very important variable here, because whatever class you are, that dictates a lot of your decisions. Like, for instance, how you fight enemies. So I think it's going to be kind of Pokemon style. That's what I'm looking at. Next one is wizard. And then start items. Items. 2 and no, 4 and 6. That seem right? No. Wait. I forgot how maths works. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. What? That doesn't make sense. Wait, yes it does. Does it? Oh yeah, because 8. I forgot how counting works. Because the next one needs to be 6 to... Wait, is it? No, because if that's 1, that's 0 and 1, which means that's 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Oh! Oh, I figured out. It's because the last one, no, the first one is 0 instead of 1. So I genuinely forgot how maths works there. Oh, I was just being massive silly there. Just gonna shush and then go into here. Okay, hack table. What's Drew working on? Get the flip out of here, fly. Jeez Louise. Let's just do funny. So let's look at this. Next one is going to be, I think we just put else. The thing is, it's going to, the way it's going to look at it is as, because if the one at the end is not included, then how do I use it? By leaving out the, oh, okay, I just need to leave out the end range for the last one then. That's actually so very simple. That's nice, I like that. Okay. Tab. Items. Let's do 6 and bam, that's it. Okay, I think this should work now. Oh wait, that's an easy fix. I just forget that sometimes. I forget if I need it or not. Always make silliest mistakes. Oh wait, I want to try. Let's try Bard because that's the one that's gonna have a problem with. Yes. Okay. The fact that Bard works makes me pretty sure Voice is gonna work though. So I don't really want to bother checking all the others, but I probably should. Let's just do it quickly, I guess. Walk is the shortest one, so let's just walk is the shortest one. And then let's do Ranger, because we already know Fighter works. So Ranger. I cannot add delay, but I have no idea how to add delay. Hold on. Genius idea here. Delay. That does not work. Okay, so we know Ranger works, but we've got one last one to check. Confirm Bosch was your character's name. The character's name is Ned, because I cannot think of another one. Orc. And then the last one we need to check is Wizard. Make sure everything's fine. Wizard. Spell staff, spell book. Yes, that's all good. Okay. How to add delay? I wonder. Delay. That's it. Import time. Templates. Okay, so I need to re-import time. Okay, I can do that, that's fine. Had it imported earlier and then I got rid of it because I didn't think I would need it. Well, at least not at that point. Okay, so it's like, what is it? It's like time.sleep, okay. Time.sleep. Let's do 3 seconds, I think. No clue if that's going to work. Yes, that's looking promising. Let's do a different one this time. Elf. Now let's go for classic Bard because I'm weirdly dramatic. And then BAM! 3 seconds later, guitar, hit a cloak, bam. Yes, this works. This is nice. I like that. I actually really like that. I just hope that Mikaiko is doing well on HTML, or he's even working on it. Because I have no idea whether it's going to be easy for him. Because I don't think he's ever worked on anything that's complex before. Well, at least he hasn't had a chance to in my basement. So, not sure how he's faring. But I've been looking at some of the other Discord projects. And it didn't seem to be, it just, what's that, what? Sorry, I said a completely wrong thing there. Didn't seem to but they seem to be way better. Like, I'm actually, can I quickly open Discord here? Where's my Discord one? It's the Discord file. So I'm just going to quickly open this as Discord so you guys can see the awesome work that some of the other people have been doing. Where is it? Where's Windows Capture 2? Where's Windows Capture 3? I've lost it. Oh, maybe it's because of way. Nope, there's not shouldn't be because of that. Where is this gone? Yeah, I've lost it. Let's just try and change it back to what it was originally. But yeah, it works when it's funny. Oh, it's because it's all weird. There, why is this funny? That is not meant to be funny. That's supposed to be sublime text. Okay, I think I've got it. So it's because it's. Oh no! Now it's working. Okay, that's strange. So I did not mean to do it. So I'm just going to take a second to figure this out. Get the sizing right and everything. I really, really hope I do well in this hackathon, to be honest. Okay, I'm just going to try and see if I know it's a little. Actually, I'll just expand the screen for you guys a little bit. It's going to look a bit strange, just for a second. But this is the sort of stuff everyone else is working on right now. Shape project. Okay, I've only found one. Yeah, they're making Pokédex already. It is like 5 seconds in. Oh man, okay. Let's see if it. This is already done on here. Nostalgia portfolio. Kinda bash. Retro search. See, are you guys seeing some of this? This is just some crazy, impressive stuff right here. I'm trying really hard to find ones right now, but a bunch of people have made these different hackathon profiles for this hackathon already, where they're like halfway through, and I am so lost. I am. Oh, Python. Okay, so I can't find any of the good ones earlier, but I saw some really impressive just builds, like in projects earlier. Oh, and now I'm terrified. Because everyone else is doing so well and so fast. Like, they're already starting to upload theirs, and I am not ready to upload mine. Not sure if you guys could tell, but yeah. Okay. So let's get back into actually coding it. So what we've got so far is pretty basic. I'm just trying to set most variables by now. So just in case anyone else has just joined, I'm in a little start hackathon, my first one ever. Just in case you couldn't read the title, and just clicked on this one because I don't know, you flipped a coin. But it's the first hackathon I've ever tried, and this is what I've got so far. But now this is actually only one of the games we're going to make. We're going to try and aim for 3, but we might only be able to get 2 done. But this is kind of the main centerpiece, is what I'm working on here, because I feel like this is the most. It's not really. I feel like it's just very unique what I'm working on. I really hope no one steals my idea, because this is very open. But what have I got? You weakening dirty with the dust bit. Yeah, okay. Customer guitar and hooded cloak. Okay. Time sleep. Let's do 5 that time because. Actually, no, let's do 2 for this time and 3 for the other time. Okay. Now, since this is a text-based game, a lot of this is just going to be me writing print statements. Okay, now I want there to have as much basic input at the start as possible. So I'm going to have a lot of stuff like looking in cupboards, looking through windows, and then that's just going to be certain points which is a bit calmer and more about the investigative side, because I kind of want to have some secret things to find, which I think could add some depth to it. Okay, time to sleep. So let's just do 2 for this one, because it's a bit shorter. And then let's have an input here. Kind of need them all to end up inside. Yeah, I need them all to end up back at one spot. Oh, this is really complicated. Because I want them to, because this is very, like, I need maybe 3 separate options for this bit. So I'm going to have, they're going to be able to go to the window, look out. They're going to, you know, I really need to be a repeating thing, don't you? Don't I? Could I have it as a function, perhaps, which repeats? Yeah. Def first. Actually, I want it to be okay. I am really terrible with functions, so I'm going to actually search this up, because I am not used to functions, and I know that's silly because I mean, I'm doing a hackathon, but yeah, I really have no clue about them. So sorry guys, but I'm going to be doing a lot of searching this. Time, okay, definitely. Yeah, it's that simple. Okay. Let's look. Oh wait, no, I need this to be a string. I don't think I want this to have. I don't want to have too many variables, because otherwise it'll get so complicated. I have variables, variables, and variables, and variables, and I'm going to try and not have that, because that happens a lot to me when I'm coding stuff. Because I've coded like 3 things in my life. That's actually true, to be fair. I've not probably less than 10 things probably. String input, and what would this be? W. No, I should click A. Check for cupboard. Click D. Grab your grab your I just realized something. So back on this variable over here, I'm going to have a separate start items 1, just because just the way it's going to end up working out requires it, kind of. Just because I need to be able to use each item individually. Apart from Ranger, that's going to be the most complicated part, because you need enough arrows to put into your... And you know, I'm going to start off with 15 arrows for Ranger. If I can find my thing. 15 arrows. But it's going to be very complicated, because you need whenever you want to use your bow, it's going to have to check that you've got enough arrows. Actually, it shouldn't be too complicated. It just needs to run a repeating function in an if statement, which asks if you've got more than 0 arrows. Which actually, yeah, that's actually pretty simple, I think. Well, that's a lovely noise. I'm sorry for that. It's just because I'm on. It's because I'm on the hack table, and literally everyone is on here. I don't know when it's only got so big, but yeah. Hello there. You can literally hear the crickets chirping there. I think I'm actually going to leave the chat. Just because not much is happening on it, and yeah. Okay, start items 2. And then I'm just going to have to eat items. You know, if I had realised this earlier, then I wouldn't have to go through the whole thing of, oh, how do I get... What flip did I just do? Oh, I see. But I don't have to go through the whole thing of how the heck do I use multiple items at a time. Not multiple things in a list at a time. But I feel like that's a pretty important thing to know how to do when you're using a list as much as I'm going to have to in this. I feel ridiculously sorry for whoever had to first make a game like this, because I mean, think about it, they're not going to have access to Phony or good text like this. I can't remember what it's called, but there was basic language, which was first used in, and like I can't remember, I don't really know how to describe it, but so you know how normal computers run on just binary and, but yeah, just binary. Well, this system was one of the first coding languages learnt, and it was a very simple way to go from binary into something which is vaguely usable, but it was essentially its own language and almost impossible to code in, and so no one used it. Apart from this one, I think it was this one team of people who decided to basically almost make the first ever game, and they did it entirely using this one super complicated programming language. I'm not even sure it counts as a programming language, because it's just ridiculously complicated and almost, it's basically just binary, to be honest. Yeah, but that's just crazy to me that someone actually managed to code a whole game in it, and it was pretty complicated. It was like kind of like Snake, I think. If you guys know that game, who doesn't know that game? It's Snake. It's classic. I'll grab your. Really quickly. No, let's actually just cut that statement off there. I don't like I'm cutting that statement off there, but I just need to check. Darn it. Huh? Oh, my bad. Forgot to close it off. Ned, let's just do elf. Let's do any one of these should work, but bard is most likely to fail. I'm gonna do bard. Yes, customary guitar and hooded cloak, that's nice. Except about bed phone. Look around the room. Yes, okay. I'll grab your I might just yeah, makes sense. Oh. Okay, now let's do bard again, because I love the bard. Just need Captain Bosch Ned the elf bard. Better find your dirty clothes from yesterday and look around the room. That looks nice. Okay, I like that. Now I should just be able to run this. I think. I have no idea. Once again, I am absolutely terrible with functions, which is crazy. Let's do ranger this time. I'm just going to be checking the stream at regular intervals. Make sure that's first. Yeah, it is. That first look right there. Okay, I'm going to have check functions again. Yeah, right there. What? What's wrong there? Oh, I've spelled something wrong, haven't I? Ah, I see. Got it. That's simple. Yes, that's simple. Most one argument got 4. I hate arguments. What is that on about? I'm really confused here. So I think what I just want to do, just simplify things a bit there. Leave. I'm back. Okay. That should work there. Never mind, it's not going to work there. Oh, my bad. I forgot to put that in. That's simple. Now, please tell me this works out. Alright, always do that. Now, watch your phone in a sec. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. Oh. Hold on. Oh, I've got some. No, I can't do that. I can't do that. Because if I do that, no, just gonna do that. I'm just gonna do that, and that's the name. Nope, nope, no, can't do that. Okay. So I went through a whole little mind process there. How do I use function? So that's coming from the list, I guess. But oh, okay, I see what it wants. Oh, okay. So the reason I completely forgot about that. So the little brackets next to functions aren't actually completely useless. So in order to pass information like variables into, actually pretty much the only variables that I know of, into a function, you have to actually load them into this here to tell them that it's expecting them. And then it'll be like, oh, okay, we know this is going to be entering here, and so then we know to go grab those. And if you don't do that, then it's going back, oh, what are you on about? Okay. Now, I'm trying to figure out how I could put an input into it. Move it. Input. Yeah, okay, it does not have it. There has to be a way, but I don't know how. I think is it possible to set a variable inside this? I think I'm gonna have to. I don't like that I have to do that, but I'm just gonna put first look choice equals bam. That should work. And then after that, I can do. Can I do that? If first look choice equals, let's say, A. It's going to need to be a string. I was looking at, what is wrong with this? Because I just had a feeling in my head that something was going to be wrong with it. Print. Street below. Okay, that's actually what I want in it. Actually. See, nothing of interest. You turn. Okay, that should all work now. And then I'm just going to do first look again there. So that I can repeat the previous function and have the same thing run again. Something's going to go wrong there, and that's it. Okay. if first look. There we go. Can't believe I got that wrong again. Okay, let's do elf. Okay. And bam. First look choices. Yeah. That's what I thought might be a problem. It's struggling with rating that for some reason. Oh, wait. First choice is defined unless it's having trouble reading from the function. Then I'm confused. Is an input in a function in Python. So, but a lot of these streams are literally just going to be me looking on. Where was it? Oh. Okay, that's fun. I've got it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can write it as an input from here, but what I can definitely do is just run it as a normal print statement. Now, if I run it as a normal print statement, then I can have the actual input run after it. Hopefully. Okay, let's have first. Look. So I'm not sure if this is actually going to work, but string input and bam. That should work now. Poop. Nope, never mind, I figured out what it is. What tests I've done so far? Yep. That should work, okay. Well, I think it... Oh, why did I write D? I'm gonna have to do the thing again now. Bam. Bam. Okay, let's do A, because A is the only option. Done. I don't know how to repeat the input now. this is the way I want to do it. No idea if it's going to work, but I think it should. So I guess it's kind of an idea if it's going to work. Not equals W. Why I just kind of, oh, that's bad. Okay, yeah. So, then that one's going there. And then that one's going there. Okay. Does that make sense? Not sure if it's going to work, but I've got high hopes. Bam. 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 There we go. First try. Bam. I forgot to add in a break. I always forget to do that. Because I literally discovered breaks earlier today. I know it's ridiculous that I'm already doing a hackathon, but I literally have only just properly started computer studies. So, like, actually learning how to code. Okay. So it doesn't repeat it. It just breaks a loop. This is not what I meant to do. I meant to break that thing. That little loop there. Not the whole loop. Maybe if I just go on to the next bit, hopefully. Now I'm going to have to fix something up there in a second, but for now, I think this should work. Probably also add stuff like health. So it's kind of. Oh, actually, I know. I might just add money for this bit. I have not created a money system yet. $50 copper coins. There's something. Nope, did not mean to do that. Poop. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, okay. A. So it's not actually repeating the choice, which is what I feared would happen, and it is happening. What happened to my function? I thought I had a function somewhere. Ah, so this is like a whole section down here. Okay, dev first vote, yeah. I'm just thinking it might be possible instead slam back there instead of there. I think it might not work now because of the same problem I had earlier, but I couldn't really realise that was, so got high hopes. Bam. Oh, so much retesting and testing and testing here. No, stop. Darn it. Oh, I've got to be on it. Have to be on it, okay. My name is Ned now. Ned. You're bad. Okay. Check out red for just. Okay. Maybe it's just how to repeat an input in Python. Try to already have something like that. Okay, I have an idea. What if I take that back out here? The thing is, the real problem is I need to repeat that input there. But that input is that. Aha! I need to use it while the includes input. I need to see how I can do that. Because it has to do something until the input within itself changes something. Which I don't think is possible. Unless... Oh, I'm an idiot. Oh, I'm actually an idiot, guys. Don't worry. Figure that out. Okay. I think I figured out. I now have to just get rid of that. Slap that up there. But then I need to get rid of it as an input, and instead there's just something like so. Okay. Elf bard. The elf bard, yep. Oh! It automatically is doing something. automatically does D for some reason, which is strange. Oh. It's because it's seeing it as anything. So I told it if anything but A or W happens, then it has to do a specific thing. Because the only other input you could have is D, but since the automatic thing at the start says that it's not going to be A or W, then the moment it has to first do that input, it's like, oh, it's not A or W, so I have to do the else choice. So I'm changing that now so that it's specific. I have no idea if it's going to work now, but it should. Yes. Okay. Welcome to Tune for Captain Bosch, Ned the Elf Bard. You awaken in the dirty, dusty bed of the local tavern, bleary-eyed and half asleep. As you look around the room, you spot your customary guitar and hooded cloak. You sit up out of bed, throw on your dirty clothes from yesterday, and look around the room. You can either look out of the window, click A, check the cupboard, click D, or grab your items and leave. Click W. Let's look out of the window. Oh, wow! This is when it's supposed to do something, but it's not doing it. Why? Yeah, it's just being weird. Don't know what it's doing or why it's doing that. So it's like it's not reading the input as anything of much importance. So sticking it as A, letting you repeat it, but not. It's like it's skipping these two and just going straight to that one, but I don't understand why it would be doing that. But it's not like it actually thinks it's doing anything wrong, which is annoying because it means I don't have someone tell me where it's gone wrong. So it's not bothering to either of it, it's just going straight back there. Could it be... Oh! Have I put first look choice as a possible option? I'm not sure I have. Maybe that's the problem. 100% certain, but it could kind of make sense. First look choice. Pause. 3. This could work. Yep, Nadia Bard, yep. Okay, check live stream, nothing of interest. Okay, now, ooh, bam, fails. Why is it breaking there? It's not repeating while loop, is it? No. Why is it not repeating while? Is it because I put the break in? What happens if I straight up get rid of that break? here we go, and test the inputs again. D. Bam! It breaks again. It just stops. Should be allowing this choice again, then completing a while loop, but it's allowing the, it's not even allowing the choice again, is it? No. Yeah, it's not. Once you input D, it just stops completely. So it allows you to put the input in again, but once you put the input, you know, I need to test it with other stuff than just D. Okay, let's check these straight away. So if you, it seems to be only if you do the D option second, or at any point after the first one. For some reason, it's not finishing the loop. Could it be that I'm lacking the else choice? I don't think so. So, well, the first look choice doesn't equal W. If it equals A or D, then it doesn't. But, well, something to do with the break command, perhaps? Or is that silly again? Because that didn't change anything when I changed it first time. Feels like there should be something right here which just tells me. I feel like maybe I'm looking straight at it and then just not seeing it. Nice, this is exactly what I need. Not equal value input. Okay. Yeah, I think that's very similar to what I'm doing. So, once, yeah, that should be working. Oh, is it because if I've got the if in there? Should work right now, actually. Now I got rid of both breaks. I'm not certain. For a small time, I think I'm just going to get rid of these delays because they're just annoying me. But I need to reapply them later on. Just keep getting more copper coins. Okay, I haven't got to that, but I'm going to do that later. Now if I click A, W. Then hit quit. Okay, that's good. That's exactly what I need. Thank you, fake Google. I think it's Bing. Microsoft Edge. I don't know. Something like that. Okay. Print. You grab gear and guru. Corridor till here. Juvius? Yeah, Juvius. Juvius a word? Juvial. Juvial? Juvial. Cheers. Is juvial a word? Let's find out. Should just tell me. Juvial. Yes, yes, that is what I wanted. So, not only do I have to search up to make sure that I'm using for like right code and stuff, I also have to make sure that I'm writing the right normal words as well. Okay, where's it gonna break? Let's find out. Yeah, okay, makes sense. Can I just head straight out? Yes. Let's just put in a basic input here so I can figure out what I want to do with it. No, actually, I know I've been going very fast, but I think I'm going to take a second, step back, and just plan out how I want this to work. Word game. So I can actually plan out how everything looks. Okay, word game. So. Plan out basic way of how this wants to work. So build character. Now I know I've already done a bunch of this stuff. Then use basic controls to look around room. What's this bit going to be? So it needs to be a real way of... So you're going to be able to get your first quest in the tavern, but you can just ignore it and just leave. First important choice. What the flip I just do? I'm going to definitely recommend that if the tavern quest is done, just because I think it's going to be combat based. Eliminate 2 just say. I'm going to limit it because it's a nice word to brutally murder. Limit it to rapscallions. It's a beautiful word, that. Eliminate to, I don't know, just baddies of some type. Evil people. Is this really what I'm saying on my timer? Considering what to call the evil people? Well, actually, it is quite important because it dictates what they are. Because they're going to be important, you know. I want them to be kind of like gang members. Because, of course, considering I do coding, of course I also do D&D, and I'm kind of basing a tiny bit of this off my first D&D campaign that Show ran, and it had a similar setup to this where they went out of tavern and they had to fight multiple kind of rogues who had taken control of the town. I'm just going to put 2 rogues. Rogue barbarians, perhaps. I'm going to make 2 rogue barbarians. Search town. Find them. Where should I have them be? I want them to be, you know, maybe they're like in a little camp in the woods. Find fair camp. Woods. First combat's going to be really difficult to do. So I have no idea how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try my best. At time. Leave tavern. Actually, let's do the next bit. In fact, when it's time. Back to tavern. Collect. What? Leave tavern. I think we're going to be able to repeat the leave tavern option once you've gone back and collected your reward. Because at this time it's going to have, your money is going to be updated, so you've got money as well. Maybe a better weapon, I don't know. Because different weapons are going to be very complicated to do, considering that we've got different classes. Yeah, but leaving this tavern, I think you're just going to go straight out, you're going to look around town. Yeah, actually, I think the only option right now is to look around town because you have a horse or something. Yeah, you need it. I don't know, find a horse. Look around town. We're gonna have let's find magic shop. Potions. Spells. I think we're just going to have normal shop. Which is going to have, I think, stuff like, I think we're going to have flute, dagger, and 5 arrows. Health. Potion. 50. Coins. spells. 5 silver coins. Normal shop, flute. It's going to be, let's just say it's 1 silver coin. It's pretty cheap. What should I say? It's 25 copper coins. It's a very weird money system, I know. Actually, no, I feel like it should be slightly cheaper. Dagger, it's going to be 1 silver coin. Then 5 hours is going to be, let's just say, 5 copper coins. Actually, that's too little, isn't it? 25 copper coins. And the next thing we need is stables. Find horse and travel to, where are we travelling to? There's the next location. Now this travelling to different locations is going to be really complicated. System, that's it. It's definitely not based off Mechanical's pencil case. Okay, so that's the plan for now. So next bit we need is Tavern Quest. Shrink input. Oh, need that. Look. And tavern. Bar. Did beginners. And then, oh wait. Click W. Or leave tab. Let's say A. Okay. I also need to provide that option here because in case they write the wrong thing. Else print. Choose one. Options. And now we need first up choice. And now that's when they choose the wrong option, they're going to be able to do it again. and that should be very helpful. It's very strange. I've got 6 views, and yet, according to this, I've had 2 views. And 0 concurrent views. So, I am very confused. Wait, hold on. And now that's when they choose the wrong option, they're going to be able to do it again. And that should be... where have the 2 extra views come from? Views. I have no idea what concurrent views be. So I got an extra view around 520. Okay, what does concurrent mean? Huh, okay. Now, what next? Can't talk about. Okay, if hold on, because I need them to be able to leave the tavern after receiving the quest. So that's if receive the quest, then go to the tavern. Do receive the quest, then go to the tavern. Okay, so I want to repeat it until they choose A. Got it, okay. So I think we just while loop it. Okay, probably really overcomplicating this, but it's the way I'm doing it, and that is probably not the right way to do it. That and that, and then if first quest choice equals W, okay. Yeah, if first quest choice equals W, then print face. Rowdy face of old friend. Mechanical stupida. I'm making all of these words just as weird as possible. Once you 2 rogue barbarians terrorizing the townsfolk. The office you now time sleep. That's quite a long thing there, so I'm gonna have that be like 3 or 5. No, actually 0 because I know what it says. Then that next one is string input. Let's say the prize of how many? Maybe 10 silver coins and 100 copper coins. Ooh, nice. Okay. Now this is where it's kind of going to be a choice, but not so much in the way that they have to input something yet, it's more that they can decide as they go along, and it just gives them the information to be able to pursue the quest. And speak. What should I name him? Fonny. Fonny. Stable. Quest. Okay, that all looks good there. Okay, now I think we repeat this here. Okay, now I'm just going to have another failsafe so that if they don't decide to, if they don't click any of the 2 options, then they get another chance to do it. Print. Then this again. Okay, this might work now. I was going into this with so much hope, you know. Okay. I do also need to add a bit. Anyway, let's click W first. Now if you click E, W, A. Okay. Now before I continue, I do need to add now at the moment they can exploit it just by continuously going back. I need a way to stop that. I don't right now. I'll find one later. Okay. And then it's copper. It's cop coins. Now this is kind of just to get me into the right headspace for when it comes to coins. Because I could just set it as 50 already, but just I don't know. I just feel like actually doing it correctly. Plus 50, and then this just means that whatever the set value there was already for cop coins, which was from the start, so set the variable here, for here, is 0. I can up that to 50 here, and then the cop coin should now equal 0. I think I'm also going to then print you now have cop coins, copper coins. It sounds so weird, cop coins, copper coins. Okay, that's basically just going to tell them how many copper coins they now have. Using some basic subligation. I have no idea whether it's called subligation, so don't get mad at me in chat, because I honestly cannot remember. Okay. How's it looking over here? Yeah, but that it looks like it makes sense, I think. So I'm just going to quickly run it to me. Yeah, there's no immediately things popping out, so I think it's alright. I do definitely need to get rid of that cop coins exploit though, where they just continuously choose cop coins over and over and over again. Although I could just kind of do this. If cop coins equal if cop coins are less than 50, then just quickly bam, 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 bam. Then looks like. And then I just need to give them the same option again. So first, look. And they don't have anywhere to spend the coins yet. And after they go somewhere else, they won't be able to return here. So I think that works all quite nicely. Honestly, this word game is going to end up being so long and complicated. I'm not sure if I'm even going to have time for any of the other ones. I might just have to leave those to Michael, because those are pretty easy compared to this. Not because this is hard to do. Well, at least it is for me. It's just because it's incredibly long. Okay. First look shows you can shoot. Yeah. Let's just check that doesn't immediately break, and bam. Could still break later on, but that was the other. So okay, now we can just print first move choice. String input A2. Click A to head to the what's it called? Let's just say the shop. Click D, head to magic shop. Click W to the stables. I forgot to close that. Okay. Now, I'm going to repeat this until they head to stables, but I also need to repeat it so they can go to first move choice later on. How do I do that? So the option to go back to first move choice. Oh, about that later. Which means I need to have while loop again. I'm very good at while loops now, even though I'm probably using them completely incorrectly and in the wrong place. Let's move choice equals. Actually, wait, no, it's not when it doesn't equal. Yeah, when it doesn't equal W. If first move choice equals, oh wait, just normal equals. Let's go A, then it's going to get very long because they've got a head-to-head magic shop, get shown all the items and their prices. Then they need to be able to choose those items or not. And then, oh golly gosh, gee, it's going to take a while. And I need to sign off very soon. So I think I'm only be able to keep going for around 5 minutes more. This should be, I think this needs to be an input here. So first, my choice. I keep clicking on buttons. First my choice equals string input. Okay, well, what is he he's selling? Flute, dagger, and arrow. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to allow any of them to buy the separate stuff, but maybe only click A, yeah, click A2. Flute 4. How much is flute? It's like 75 copper. Copper points. Dagger. For 1 silver coin. Used by writer. Click. To buy 5 arrows. I need to set arrows very well better too. Click D to buy 5 arrows. Ranger. Shop. Okay, that should be good there. And of course it needs a second one there. Okay, I'll just hope it feels the right way around. Okay. gosh, this is so annoying. Last. I'm not sure how much I'm actually going to be able to realistically get done here, considering I've already spent like 3 or 4 hours on this bit. This isn't even like 100 lines yet. Considering how long the end thing's going to be, I'm not sure if I'm going to have time to finish it, but I need to have a logical finish which works and makes sense and is usable, and then have a way to expand upon it, because I'll probably keep onto this as a home project even after I've submitted it. And if you guys want, I can keep streaming that. I think that'd be a fun thing to do. Yeah. Click D to buy 5 hours can be used by range, or click W to exit the shop. I think we need another while loop in a while loop. Oh my gosh. It's a while loop in an if statement in a while loop. This is so annoying. While first doesn't equal output W. W is just the ultimate thing here. It's the way to get the game the quickest, really. Well, first money choice equals W, doesn't equal W. Then if first choice if first money choice equal, let's go A. Oh, how do I check if I've got enough money? I thought that through. First money choice equals A. Okay, then. Yeah, if I put another if statement. Yeah, it's gonna have to be an if statement. Or it could be an and. No, I think I'm just gonna put an if statement in here. If cop coins are bigger than 70. No, it's more than 75. No, bigger than 74, I think. Yeah. So if you've got exactly 75, you can still buy it. Then oh, I'm going to have to add another item to the list. Okay, I think sorry guys, but I think I'm going to save the code for today. Okay, so I think I'm gonna save. I've saved, and now I think it's time to go. So guys, I will be definitely back at this tomorrow. I might get a bit done without you guys, but then we'll get straight back into this, and see you guys.